Meerkat Utilities specializes in a comprehensive range of smart utility management solutions. Wave goodbye to inaccurate energy bills by following these easy steps. Download the Meerkat app and register a profile. Transfer funds into your wallet to start using electricity, water or gas. With daily billing, the app shows your hourly consumption data and can assist in positively changing your consumption behavior. The rand value in consumption is deducted from your wallet, with details of each utility spend easily available on the app. When your set minimum wallet balance is reached, a notification will be sent to remind you to top up your wallet. If your wallet balance is depleted, your electricity will disconnect automatically until you top up your wallet again. Funds collected via your Meerkat wallet are paid across to the body corporate or entity which pays the bulk supply account. We charge a market-related vending fee for our service and provide customer and technical support for all queries. Meerkat Utilities is IRASA registered and NERSA approved. Meerkat Utilities, the smarter way to meter.